Going live with your first event on EventSpark. In the previous video, we created an event from scratch, and now we will activate this event. Before activating this event, there are some things you need to check. The first and most logical is to check if all boxes in the event setup progress are green. This will tell you if your schedule and microsite are active, if you have a comms plan active on the event, if you have a venue for the event, if your key indicators are set up for that event, and you may or may not have any tickets. The last event we set up was a physical event. In future sessions, we will show you how to create virtual events with the Zoom and Teams integrations. Before the event is ready to go live, open the event homepage and notice the page is not fully complete. You can tell this by 1. No banner. 2. No detail around the event. And 3. The event is still coming soon. To change the event from coming soon, navigate back to your event and change the stage from planning to active. Refresh the page and notice there is a registration form available for a delegate to register. As an event manager, you might want to populate the event microsite with some content. Scroll down to Content for Emails and Microsite section. This section is where you can capture additional information around the event. Here you can capture the overview, about this event, who should attend, as well as the agenda. Click on the pencil to edit a section. The About this event, who should attend, the agenda, and more information are rich text fields, which means you can structure the way and the formatting of the data inserted in them. You are able to add indents, bullet points, links, images, as well as change the font color, and the font size. For this video, I have some predefined text I will insert into this field. You can see the difference between a rich text field and a normal text field, where a rich text field will take all the styling with it. You can fill in your who should attend, and because this is a single-day event, you can add in your agenda. Bear in mind that if you want this event to have bookable sessions, you will keep the agenda section blank and create sessions instead. This will be covered in another video. If you'd like to, you can include more information as well. We do also have fields that will be displayed in your emails only. If you would like to have different details in the emails sent to the delegates, you can add this here. Once completed, click Save. Now that this event has saved, navigate back to your event microsite and refresh the page. You will notice that the system has created a few more tabs because you have filled in that information. These are the home page, the more information, the agenda, as well as the venue. This was the venue we created and linked to this event in the Creating Your First Event video. Looking at the banner on the event microsite, we can see we still have an image that is set to blank. So we will need to set that banner image. Navigate back to EventSpark on the event function and scroll down to Event Images, where you can upload a file or drag and drop a file to be displayed. Once you have uploaded it, the system will ask you what you want to use this image for. Select your option and click Save. Navigate back to your event microsite and refresh the page. You will see that the banner has now loaded. This event is now good to go live. Navigating back to the event function, under the Registration Options section, you can decide on the registration method. The options are Open Enrollment and Invitation, in which you can invite people via email to this event, or they can access the event homepage through a link or from the upcoming events calendar. Then we have Invitation Only, in which only those who you invite via email will be allowed to register. This event will then not show on the upcoming events calendar. Then we have Open Enrollment, Anonymous Enrollment, and Invitation, in which people are allowed to register anonymously via link and via invitation. And lastly, we have Open Enrollment for Contacts, in which only people who are already contacts in your Salesforce environment will be allowed to register. Once you have defined your registration method, have a beautifully populated event microsite, you are ready to activate your event and start getting registrations in. We hope this training video was helpful for you. Please like this video and click on the subscribe button to receive notifications on new training videos.